Hello everybody, let us have a look at technical view on the equity market. Nifty in today's session opened on negative note and was trading in a narrow range throughout the day. In fact, it has been trading in that narrow range since last couple of sessions. However, near the end of the session, Nifty managed to recover and posted a positive daily close. Near the end of the session, it has also crossed its swing high, and which indicates that it seems to have started a new move on the upside. A larger picture shows that Nifty has started moving up from a 40 daily exponential moving average, and the low that is 5936 will act as a strong support and will be our short term reversal level as well. On the upside, Nifty is heading towards Delhi upper Bollinger Band as well as near the previous high, which is around 62.29, and once that is crossed, Nifty can even stretch till 63.50 from short term perspective. So that is our short term target. Hourly chart shows that Nifty has been moving up since it has taken support from 40 daily exponential moving average, and on the upside it has crossed its crucial hourly moving averages, which are now acting as supports for Nifty. In terms of price pattern, Nifty formed a small triangular pattern on the hourly chart and has broken out on the upside. Even the hourly momentum indicator has completed its correction cycle and is on the verge of a new cycle on the upside. So it seems that Nifty has started a fresh move in today's session and can take it to 62.29, 63.50 from short term perspective. Now we will have a look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has also taken support near its 40 daily exponential moving average and has crossed its 20 daily simple moving average. And since last couple of sessions, it is trading in a narrow range and has taken at that crucial moving average support. So even Bank Nifty has a potential to move up from current level and can test its daily upper Bollinger Band, which is close to 13,150, 13,200. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are 12,495, 12,219. The crucial resistances are 12,978 and 13,252. Now we'll have a look at a couple of stocks that are showing upside potential from short to medium term perspective. And the first one is ITC. ITC, as can be seen from this daily chart, form a wedge pattern, which was a bullish wedge and has broken out on the upside. It has also taken support near its crucial daily moving averages and has moved up towards the daily upper Bollinger Band. And the Bollinger Bands have started expanding, which will allow the price action to continue on the upside. The daily momentum indicator has given a fresh buy signal. So we expect ITC to continue on the upside, and crucial supports are 341, 334, and crucial resistances are 365, 380. The next one is NTPC. NTPC has formed a broadening formation and has started moving up from lower end of the pattern towards the upper end. And on the upside, on the way up, it has crossed its crucial daily moving averages. It halted near those moving averages for a day in yesterday's session. However, in today's session, it has started a fresh move on the upside and has crossed its swing high also. The daily momentum indicator in today's session has given a buy signal. So NTPC is also a good buy at current level from short to medium term perspective. And crucial supports are 155, 149, and crucial resistances are 161, 170. Thank you.